Hey guys, Tony with Aquaponics. Take pride in your properties. We're going to be doing a full commercial building cleaning. We're going to be doing an awning, well, the awnings, and then as well as the concrete. It's actually a really good client. It's actually one of my old friends from high school. His company's built this building. Now they need a cleaning for all the awnings. It goes all the way down there. Got 3/4 of the building is covered with awnings. Doing a partial cleaning today because the other area where there's a huge canvas tent, same material as the awnings right here, is actually being used right now. We can't go over there until they switch sides of renovating this part of the inside. So like this side is already done, the front's already done, but that little back corner is not done yet. So just gonna wait on that, come back in maybe about a month, go hit that little tent, and then clean that concrete over there as well. But yeah, so we're going to be using about a 1% mixture of SH for those awnings. They got some real nasty green, not on this side that I'm on right now, but mainly on the other side, the north side. Real nasty yellow, white, green, black mold mildew and algae just growing on those awnings. But they haven't been cleaned in like a year and a half. Actually, no, I haven't been cleaned ever. Yeah, they haven't been cleaned ever within the 10 years of this building standing. So we're gonna get that going, and then just do a surface cleaning of the concrete around the area. I would love to show you guys the big old surface cleaner again, but the pressure washer that I was going to be using for this job, actually I had to go take it in for maintenance. So we're back to a little old like beginner pressure washer in the BE, that one. It'll take a little bit of time, but I have a helper today, so that's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna have her do that. So yeah, let's get this thing rolling.